there, and welcome to my cut flower farm. My name is Lisa Mason Ziegler, and I'm the author of the book, Vegetables Love Flowers. Now you may be asking yourself, why do vegetables love flowers? It's simple, really. Flowers attract pollinators, beneficial insects, and other beneficial creatures to our garden. The ultimate companion planting, really. And there's no better way to do that than putting a small cutting garden right in the vegetable patch. Cutting the flowers as you're harvesting vegetables, which will keep the stems coming and keep these creatures right where we want them, in the garden. Vegetables Love Flowers will take the reader by the hand and share with them why they should grow flowers, how to grow flowers, and which flowers to grow. But most importantly, it'll share with them how they can garden without using pesticides, just like I do here on my flower farm.